With the rectangle tool, hold Shift to draw a square. Center the anchor point with the anchor point tool. Align the shape to the middle of the composition. Rename the layer Shape Morph. Turn the layer off. Get the ellipse tool. Hold Shift to draw a circle. Center the anchor point. Align it to the center of the composition. Name the layer Circle. Toggle down the circle's path. Right-click on Ellipse Path 1. Convert to Bezier path. Press the stopwatch on the path to put a keyframe. Copy the keyframe. Turn the layer off. Turn the Shape Morph layer on. Right-click on the rectangle Path 1. Convert to Bezier path. Place a keyframe. Move over on the timeline. Paste the circle keyframe. Now preview the animation. Subscribe for more tutorials.